Core Measure 15, Protect Electronic Health Information. The objective of Core Measure 15 is for providers to protect the electronic health information of their patients that is created and maintained within a certified EHR technology by implementing appropriate technical capabilities. The measure requires that an eligible physician conduct and review a security risk analysis in accordance with the requirements under Regulation 45 CFR 164.308 and to implement any security updates as necessary and correct any identified deficiencies as part of that risk management process. Now, with regards to the requirements of attestation, the eligible providers must attest to yes, that they have done this security risk analysis and implemented the updates. But to be quite frank, this is something that is basically a freebie for you. The security risk analysis fell on our shoulders as we were going through the certification process, and we had to demonstrate how the protected health information is secure within the system. And we did receive a 5-star rating during our certification. So your information that you're attesting to here is actually covered by the sales process when you go through and purchase Prognosis and you verify that we are in fact a certified vendor, then that in itself is in a way performing your security risk analysis. However, for those of you who may have purchased the client server model of Prognosis, you may have additional external security measures that are your responsibility. We house the security on our internal servers for those of you that utilize the ASP model. And if there are any ever security updates required within the application itself, we are an internet-based product. So therefore, if the internet browsers employ new security that causes the program to be affected, then we will, of course, automatically apply those within the program in order to maintain our 5-star rating. And, of course, you would be alerted as applicable. So I'm going to toggle over to Prognosis just briefly. There's nothing to demonstrate inside the application. But with regards to the need for security updates, if there are any, on the Prognosis splash screen, where you probably are just so used to coming in and entering your ID and password, you may not notice or infrequently pay attention to these other indicators down here on the bottom of the screen. And you will notice here that under the frequently asked questions, there is a section in yellow highlight and red font that gives you upcoming news or updates. So, for instance, if there was going to be an update applied, we would have a message there for you. So we will be keeping you informed, but the updates will occur automatically if it's part of the application. If it, again, is part of your outside server, however, then that would be something that you would have to take upon yourself. Now, with regards to an exclusion, there is none. As a user of electronic health record technology, you must guarantee that patient information is secure